We are going to learn how to create a cartoon effect from your photo in Photoshop, so let's get started. You will get a better understanding if you follow along with this tutorial. All the resources used in this tutorial will be shown in the link description. You can download it directly from there. First, open the image and drag the background layer to the new layer icon to create a duplicate layer. Let's hide the background layer for now. Now take the object selection tool and click on select subject in the header. It will create a selection of the subject. Add a layer mask. Now the background is removed. You can use any other method for this. Right click, convert to smart object so that we can work non-destructively. Now go to image, adjustments, shadow highlights. It will highlight the shadows from the image. I didn't change any values, so all values are default. Hit OK. As we all know, the cartoon's facial features are exaggerated. So we are going to do the same. Go to filter, liquify. Zoom in and enhance the facial expressions. Like the eyes should be bigger. Let's make it a more happier. I'm doing it manually, but you can use the right side option. We will get the same result from both of them. Hit OK. Again go to filter, sharpen, unsharp mask. Amount will be 100%, radius will be 5, threshold will be 10. Hit OK. By this we actually made our image a lot more sharper. Now again go to filter, filter gallery, adjust the view. Click on poster edges. Posterization will be 2 and rest of the value will be 0. It will reduce the tone values and we will get a more cartoon effect from it. Hit OK. Now again go to filter, stylize, oil paint. Set the stylization and cleanliness to 4 and rest of the value reduce it to 0. Hit OK. Now our image strokes are looking smooth. Let's sharpen them again. Go to filter, sharpen, unsharp mask. But this time reduce the amount value to 50%. Hit OK. Now create a duplicate layer and double click on filter gallery. Here we will change the edge thickness to 10, edge intensity will be 2 and posterization will be 6. Because we don't want to reduce the tones, we only want the lines. Hit OK. Now set the blend mode to overlay. Reduce its opacity to 50%. Now press Ctrl or Command Shift Alt E to make a merge layer on the top. Now again go to filter, other, high pass. Really don't know how many times I used filter, let me know in the comment section. So here we will set the radius to 4, hit OK. And set the blend mode to overlay. Now add adjustment layer of solid color right above the background layer. Set the color yellow. And I am using action lines for the background. The download link for this image will be in the description. Let's place it and set its blending mode to overlay. Now the background is looking a lot more cartoonish. To add more contrast and vibrance, add adjustment layer of levels. Slide the mids to the right, whites to the left. Now add adjustment layer of vibrance. Increase the vibrance value and little bit of saturation. Let's create a group of it. While holding shift, select all layers and drag it to the group icon to create a group. Double click and rename it as cartoon effect. Now we can compare, this is the before, this is the after. Later you can adjust any value you want. If you learned something new, hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon for learning updates. My name is Shubham. Thank you so much for watching Graphic Arena.